Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on that TDI right here, 2006 Jetta MK5 TDI. So we will show you, we have an engine light on, and we'll show you it's most likely mass airflow sensor. Alright, let me go ahead and start the vehicle so you can see it yourself. Okay, watch now. We're going to go ahead, start it now. Okay, and engine light is on. We cleared it and it came back. So after a very short drive it came back. So now we'll show you guys how we're going to diagnose and how we're going to determine that it's a mass airflow sensor. Okay, don't forget to check out, guys, our main channel, which is growing crazy fast. We have that Scion FRS built, okay, right there. You can check this thing out. And we have a Fiesta ST and more coming soon. So we're using max CCs right here. Pretty good stuff. We love that too. We're not expensive. I mean, it's expensive, but cheaper than other big brands that don't even have the power of this one. This one is the same as VACCOM, what we're doing now. You can see you have 01 is engine control module, so it's like you have VACCOM right now. It uses the same software. So if you go to trouble codes right here, we're going to get a code active static mass or volume airflow circuit low input. So if you click that thing, it tells you, okay, right here, that that's the code P0102. Okay, it could be any three of those, but it's P0102. So that almost always relates to mass airflow. Okay, you can have a loss of power, you have the light on. You need to check if it's not the mass airflow sensor, it's most likely connectors. It could be better wires, anything like that. So of course you need to check that first before buying one. And you can actually, okay, if you need to test it with VACCOM, here is the instruction, guys. So you can read that one and see how to test it yourself. Pretty sweet deal. So now we'll go ahead and show you how to remove it, how to replace it, and see if that fixes our problem. Alright guys, now we need a flathead screwdriver, or actually Phillips screwdriver in our case, this one. And we need to remove a couple screws that hold the lid of the air filter right there. Okay, you can see we have a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I think that we have, and we need to go ahead and remove all these, and we'll be able to open the air filter. Okay, almost there, but what we need to do next, that clamp right here, we need to remove that one, get big pliers, okay, get it out of the way, and that way, okay, now let's remove actually the wires for the mass airflow sensor. Okay, if you push with your finger up like that, it will actually release it. Okay, let me show you those. You need to push down a little bit because it's stuck, then push here towards the back and pull up, and it will come up. Okay, you need to remove later that little vacuum hose there. Okay, one of the screws is still holding somewhere, but it's almost out. Okay, we have the one on the back here. And one thing, you definitely notice some loss of power if it's not working good at all. Okay, you can see we get the cabin, actually the air filter lid off, okay. And you can just pull it out of the hose. That's where the MAF is, mass airflow sensor, okay. And with a Phillips screwdriver again, we just need to remove 2 screws to replace that one. We have this one out of a parts car that we have, and last time we used it, it was good. So we need to see if it's still good. It's been sitting for a long time and it's pretty dirty. But okay, now you need to just pull it out. It has a rubber seal, okay, that prevents air from going in. And this one, what actually we just noticed, this one is not original. This is one of those Chinese ones, okay, and those most likely do not work. We've seen so many of them. Okay, that's the original one, Bosch, right there, with the part number and everything. This is the cheap version that they sell on eBay, and I wouldn't use that one if I was you. I would go for a really factory one, because it works better, the car performs better, and you get better mileage. This is very important. And if you want to risk it, some of them work, some don't. So if you're lucky, you might get one to work really good, but we haven't been. We used 3 of them, I think, in the past, and all of them failed. They didn't perform good. We had one on a Mercedes even, and gas car, instead of getting about 30 miles to the gallon, we were getting about 18 because of a cheap mass airflow sensor. So all we have to do, just put it together, okay, get the screws tight, and we need to install the wire on top. We're going to clear the code quick, and we're going to see, okay, if that's going to solve our problem. Okay, all we have to do, make sure you put that clamp on the hose, because otherwise you blow it, okay, you have a leak and you'll mess up the car. And now let's go ahead and actually clear the light and see if we can fix it. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to trouble codes again, okay, and we're going to actually clear those and see if we're going to get anything back. Hopefully we don't, okay, but first we will now, because we still need to clear it. We haven't cleared it and it's in the history of the car. Okay, now clear DTC right here. Is the engine off? Yes. Okay, we just confirm, no fault codes detected. Let's read again. No fault codes detected. Let's go inside the car now. Let's start it and see if that fixed our problem. And we don't have an engine light on, so everything is good. That fixed it. That's pretty awesome. We have many videos on that Jetta, guys, and many more coming soon. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.